Alright. It's time to start new. Tonight we're gonna draw belphemon. Belphemon is known as the one of the new characters and one of the main bosses in Digimon Data Squad. And he also got his reappearance on the new Digimon video game. Anyhow, I've been meaning to warn you. Many men have been warned. Do not attempt to wake this Digimon, because you might end up going on some Titanic rampage or something.
What do you want me to play?
There we go. Belphemon has 6 wings on his back. Alexa, play Odd Squad soundtrack.
Odd Squad opening theme by Odd Squad and Paul Buckley on Amazon Music.
My name is Agent Olive. This is my partner, Agent Otto. This is the Odd Squad soundtrack. But back to Otto and me. We work for an organization run by kids that investigates anything strange, weird, and especially odd. Our job is to put things right again.
Here are belphemon's bioluminescent claws.
Who do we work for? We work for Odd Squad.
Here are the chains for belphemon. Alexa, play SpongeBob.
Here's some music by SpongeBob SquarePants on Amazon Music.
I call this one the Campfire Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song.
Here are the chains.
CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick!
Son! CAMPFIRESONG!
Squidward! Good! It'll help if you just sing along. Oh yeah!
Are ya ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If nautical nonsense be something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants!
then drop on the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants!
Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Sorry, I don't like this song. Alexa, next song.
I'm a goofy goober!
It's more like it.
You're a goofy goober! We're all goofy goobers!
Here we draw his claws. There we go. There we go.
I thought that I had everybody.
There we go. That's how you draw belphemon.
But I went and blew it, all sky high. And now she won't even spare a passing glance. All just because I...
That's how you draw belphemon.
When big